Sawubona. Kunjani?
Hey.
Neymar. Sharp. Neymar.
But no.
No, sharp. Tengudla, yes. Imali yangempela.
No.
Ubani igama?
Angifuni.
Hayi khuleka sharp.
Angifuni mina.
Sure.
Iselo. Akasiselo.
Awubakho isilo?
Kunale troll. Troll.
Troll, no, ke
Troll na.
troll.
Ya ke pusha troll.
No, ke tlo ufa yona. Tlo reka dijo.
Bada. Yeah.
Awuyibakhi?
Ya.
Okay, sharp ne.
Ngeke selo sawo.
Alright, sharp ne.
Yeah.
Modima vele wena ne.
Le wena.
Alright, sure. Sure ne.
About you want to step.
Okay, sharp. Oh, Thukile. Sure.
Thukiwe.
Sure.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. So this homeless man has definitely sparked a heated conversation online after turning down money offered to him by well-known South African philanthropist B.I. Phakathi. The unexpected encounter has attracted attention because instead of accepting the cash, the man explained that he preferred to rely on his own efforts to make a living. His response, guys, has since prompted social media users to debate the meaning of dignity, independence, and accepting help. B.I. Phakathi is well known for his acts of kindness, particularly towards people experiencing poverty and homelessness. His videos often shows him approaching people in difficult circumstances and offering them money, food, or other form of assistance, you guys. In many of these encounters, recipients definitely become emotional after receiving unexpected support. However, this particular interaction took definitely a different turn when the homeless man declined the financial assistance. According to the account shared online, the man explained that he had a trolley and earned money by pushing it. He reportedly told B.I. Phakathi in Sesotho, saying that abatle tjhelete o na le trolley o pusha trolley, meaning that he did not want his money because he has a trolley and he is working by pushing it. He is generating his own money by pushing it. His response appeared to surprise the philanthropist and who watched the encounter. The man's decision has definitely led to, different reactions on social media. Some people question why people experiencing homelessness would reject an opportunity to receive money, arguing that any assistance could make his difficult circumstances easier, you guys. Others, however, definitely praised him for wanting to depend on his own labor. They said his response demonstrated that being poor or homeless does not necessarily mean a person has abandoned their sense of pride or independence, you guys. For many viewers, the moment raised a broader question about how society views people on the streets. Poverty can often lead people to assume that those struggling financially will automatically accept whatever assistance offered to them. And then, you guys, there are those who says that we live in a spiritual world. This guy is definitely strong. That's why he is declining that money, you guys. People are actually saying that there's nothing for mahala. They accused B.I. Phakathi of basically twalaring, saying that there's definitely a big secret behind him distributing money like that. He is definitely, energy harvesting. He's definitely destiny swapping people's luck with him giving out money like nothing. They're saying that man is definitely spiritually strong. Amadlozi wakhe didn't want him to swap whatever luck that he has. They're saying that he might look like he is a broke man, but in the spirit, he could be a very rich man, hence why he declined that money, hence why we saw him lying there on the floor, broke, dirty, and probably hungry, but saying no. Amadlozi was strong. What do you guys think about this? Do you think B.I. Phakathi is giving out money because there is some spiritually motivated secrets that he does, some kind of voodoo that he performs? Once he gives you the money, then your luck is gone? Or do you think that this is just a philanthropist just honestly doing what he was sent by God to do, to help people? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and do make sure, guys, that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.